All right, guys, we're back out here in my messy garage. We still have the Supra, which is looking pretty much the same. And we have the SC, which, as we could tell, is starting to come apart. So that's what we're gonna work on today. I've already gotten most of everything taken apart, but I wanna get the engine and trans out so I could check everything over, see what's going on with it, and get ready for next season. So I'm gonna get you guys set up, and we are gonna work on getting this engine and transmission out. Alright, it's been a little while since the last part of the video. Hopefully this wind noise doesn't kill us, but you can see I've got the car hooked up to the ATV and moved partly outside. That is because my garage is not really big enough to get the engine out with the car all the way inside the garage. So I've had to wait till we had some decent weather around here. And I think I've got basically everything disconnected. Harness is kind of waiting over here. I got the Motion Raceworks width plate on, and I'm going to try and pull the engine and trans together, which I've done it both ways. We'll see how this goes. I'm going to move you guys over and get you set up on the tripod, and hopefully I've disconnected everything and I can actually pull this thing out. Wish me luck. You guys missed a little bit. I think the camera died, but there was one trans line that was still connected, so I had to fight with that for a little while. Definitely going to be changing that next year to some quick disconnects that are easily accessible, because this car with the TH400 and the Ultra Bell, very difficult to get to all that whole area. So anyway, we're right back to it. Nothing's really different. We're just going to get back to pulling this engine out. All right, we're all done. Engine and trans out. The drive shaft, for some reason, would not come out of the trans for a while, so that was a little bit of a fight. Other than that, I think everything was pretty okay. One of the fuel lines, the fitting kind of caught on a spark plug, but that was pretty minor. But all in all, not too bad. So trans is right here, converter's still in it. That's gonna get sent out and checked over. Engine is here, intake down there. So the next video, I'm going to tear this engine apart and basically see how expensive this winter is gonna be. I think I need bearings in this motor, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'll go a little bit past that, do some rods and pistons, but we'll have to see how bad it is. if it's bad at all, and how much money I feel like spending on it. But that's going to be in the next video. In the meantime, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.